Hi guys, welcome to SEVIC Time. We've introduced the on-call function and how do you access it? Go to SEVIC Time on your phone, the app if you've installed it, and when you open the app, enter your PIN and you'll come to a landing page. On this page, you should see your shifts or shifts that have been assigned to you, and basically any amount that you've made in a pay period. In the middle, there is a button, and if you click it, it takes you to our on-call shift section. Now, when do you use this button? You use this button or use this part of the app when you're called onto a shift to go to a site in the middle of the day, middle of the night, or for any shift that you've not been pre-booked. So when you open this app, all you have to do is click register in, and the app will check if you're at any site of the business. If that's the case, it will click you in and all the other details will be captured. You don't need to do anything, and go work your shift. Once you're done, open the app and click register out. Once you click register out, all your details will be sent to your admin or to your scheduler or to the business admin, and they will make any changes to the app. And once those changes have been made, you'll be able to see the amount that you've made or any shift records in the icon next to it to the right, or you can come to the home, which is my shift section, and you should be able to see the money update. Thank you.